Hey guys, okay, so I move this down. One more video for wigs, and the rest will be your hair, so you won't see me looking crazy in this. Okay, so I just did an out tray. Now we're gonna do, and it's funny how all three wigs are completely different company. The first one's a Harlem 125th. This is the last one was out tray. This one is it's a wig. This one is it says Swiss lace front, middle part. This is in the color 27. It's Valeria. This is supposed to be a long one, so we're gonna open her up. Oh, just hit the camera. Okay, so this is her. Yeah, I just threw everything on the ground. The stock card gives you care instructions. This is why our lace wigs are the best. Blah blah blah. This is the stock card. The small one is the one to keep, and I guess you put the price of how much that you paid for it on here. And also, you can write down the location of where you actually bought it. Or the site that you bought it from. Okay, and it says V shape. So if you look here, it does show the little picture that's in an oval. It does show that it's in a V shape. So we're going to take this out. Okay, so this one didn't have the little thing that was attached to it. Okay, so we're going to pull her apart. Okay. Okay, snatch that. Okay, same thing with this. I'm going to take the combs out because I don't like the combs. That's just my own preference. Interesting. This is like this little plastic tapey thing on the side, like right here. This is like plastic. Interesting. Okay, so this one actually has the same hooks as Harlem 125th. It has like this little extra hook right here. I'm trying to so you can see it. That won't, when you pull this up, it's stuck on here. It won't come out. Outright is the only one that did not have that. They need to get on the program with that because that also helps with making sure that, you know, your hooks don't always come out because I know a lot of people have problems with that. I usually tuck it into one of the loops and then go in. Okay, and then, you know, obviously the tag is in the back. It says the name. It says Fatora Fiber, made in Indonesia. The lace I would say is, that's the lace on my skin. Obviously, all these are not going to be my skin color. That's whatever. But, it's not bad. I cannot own this because I remember back in the day, oh god, no. This part, so I've been missing the parts on these when I'm just showing the wigs. It may look okay-ish on camera, but I can see like the track and the weft under it. Like you can really kind of see it. I don't like that. They didn't really do a good job with like concealing the weft. Oh wait, I keep talking and not showing you. So, I don't know if you can see. You can see the weft right here. Like you can literally see it. They like parted this in like 2 minutes. I mean, knotted this in 2 minutes. So, the hairline on here is maybe about, it's definitely a centimeter like the other ones. This looks like this could be big head friendly, so let's throw her on and see. Okay, so let me pull her down. Let me pull my cap back some. This looks like ginger. Oh my god, I love this color. Oh, this is definitely big head friendly. This feels, even though I still have the lace on, and like I said, I still have the lace on, that's the disclaimer, but even though I have it pulled down, I still feel like this is definitely very very big head friendly. You can see my cap where it slipped back too. Okay, wait, let me definitely start using a brown cap, guys, too, because it just makes it better to hide that edge. But alright, let me put my head down so y'all can see the part. Okay, so let me, what y'all see, the part? You see it good? Okay, so I look like, this looks ginger. This does not look like a 27 to me. I'm thinking like, when we think of 27, you know, we think of like a yellow color. Not like 613. This has a lot of hair. Like, even though you twist it, you see how much that really is. But this feels full. And then I can already tell, one side the curls are going back. Like, this side is going forward, this side is going back. They should have made them all go back. Yeah, I just feel like the hair's doing this. This is what this hair's trying to do. Don't like that. The hair feels nice though. It feels soft. Running my fingers through it. I'm not getting really any shedding. Trying to run my fingers through it. Trying to see. So let's stand up. Okay, so this is where this stops on me. Yeah, I don't like this curl pattern. I'll tell you that off rip. I don't like it. I'm getting not really much. I just feel like because of this pattern, this will this will tangle. Like, I don't know. They could have just did waves instead of this weird, like, curly thing. I like this color, though. This is not a 27, though. This is not 27. Not to me. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Yeah, I don't like the style. I just think, and then this, you see, this keeps going, like, right here to my eye. Don't like that. You see how much space this has? This is definitely big head friendly. Even after I cut this, I know this will stay in place. Now, for hairline placement, when I want to refront this, oh yeah, this I think out of all 3 wigs, this one will probably be the easiest one to cheat. That means, and because I like this color, I was thinking of putting like the 613 in the front, but because of this color and that it's ginger, I'm not. Okay, you see what I'm talking about, guys? You see how like this curl is going forward and then this side is going back. And then I also feel like it's flat. Like it's doing this and then whatever. Oh, let me show you the back. You know, it's parted down the middle, so I don't know if you can see the wefts. I don't know if you can see my braids. Definitely big head friendly. There's plenty of space in here. And yeah, there's plenty. This is actually gonna be big head friendly. I'm definitely gonna change this texture though. This is not, I don't like this. It needs some height. It needs to be off my damn face, because even though this is off, like going this way, it's still doing this. Metal tabs in here that you can form to your face. So for me, I'm gonna actually probably slide this back. I'm not gonna do it that far back though, and just make sure I can have some shape into it and go from there. But we'll see how this goes. You see how this I don't like. Look at this. No. This texture has to go. But overall, I'm not mad at it. I'm not. The color is actually a lot better than I thought. This is not what I thought a 27 is going to be like. I thought it would be more yellow, but this is more ginger. So, alright, so this is it for all these wigs. I will get back to how I'm going to work on them and show you the process of what I'm doing. But I'm trying to think how I want to do this one. Like, should I have some big waves in it? This is actually, it's okay. Anyways, let me end this because the video is already long enough. This wig is from It's a Wig. It is the Valeria, whatever. I'm not in the mood. I can't read today. There it is. This wig is in the 27 Valeria, and this is like this has to be close to 30 something inches. Because it's literally, when I'm sitting down, I can feel it in the back. But anyways, that's all now. I'm going to change this. This is just an unboxing video. I'm just giving you my unboxing opinion and go from there. But anyways, bye now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.